Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing some cup holders to the front doors of my Tesla Model Y. We're going to test them out, see what kind of cups they can fit. Let's get into it. So jumping straight in the unboxing, I want to give a big shout out to Tessery. They sent me these over for a review. I'm really excited to partner with them again for another video. So go ahead and head to their website and check them out. These cup holders are really simple devices. Comes with everything you need to install them. And what they do is they're going to add a cup holder to the doors of our Model Y, the front driver and passenger door. So I'm going to show you exactly how to install these, but I want to show you the product first. Here's a little mounting bracket of how it's going to install. And this is the actual little cup holder itself with a little screw in there, if you can see that. Get that on camera. So really what this is going to do, it's about the size of a can, so I'm excited to test this out and see what it'll actually hold and how kind of sturdy it is. It's a nice durable plastic. It's not 3D printed, but it's a really nice durable plastic. I think it'll hold a lot. Let's jump right into the installation. I'll show you exactly where these go. I want to mention that these cup holders come in a set, so make sure you have the right mounting bracket when you're working on each side of the car. So we're going to be picking the mounting bracket, and where it's going to actually install, is if I get the right mounting bracket, is right kind of over on this side of the car, kind of right here is about where it's going to install. Then the cup holder is going to come and sit kind of right there, not be in the way of any of your buttons or anything like that. But that's kind of the general gist of what we're going to be doing. To get this installed, there's a little hole here and a little bolt up in the back here. I'll get some video of it for you guys. And we're going to be using the included Allen key to take out that bolt and then just kind of reinstall with the cup holder bracket attached to it. So I have my Allen key in there, and I'm just going to start loosening that actual bolt. It's pretty tight, so you want to take your time and actually use the leverage, or probably the longer side, to loosen that bolt up. Let's see if we can get it loose in here. There you go. Break that loose and then switch around your sides to this side, and you can start unscrewing it. And there you go. There's your bolt loose and kind of out of the way. So once you have the factory bolt removed, you're going to want to grab the little bolt from the kit, as it has a little bit smaller head on it and it's going to be able to fit up in this little sleeve a little bit easier. So I grab my little mounting bracket, kind of line it up with where it's going to go right there. Take the bolt and put it on the end of my Allen key. Let's see if we can do this. Go ahead and find the actual spot where it's supposed to line up, and you can start reinstalling it. There we go. Get it threaded in there. It kind of tightens down really nice. And then you got a nice secure kind of mounting point right here. Your whole handle is back and attached, and here's your actual mounting point for your cup holder. Let's go ahead and attach the cup holder. I'll show you guys how it looks. The mounting bracket's nice and installed, and you can see how the cup holder has these channels built in right into it that fit perfectly in these little grooves. So as we slide it on, go ahead and kind of lock it in, and you're good to go. That's a nice secure mounting point for your cup holder. It's nice and secure, it doesn't wiggle around too much. I actually really like how it looks. Let's go ahead and knock out the other side, and then let's put these to the test and see what they can hold. All right, guys, so I went and grabbed about 10 different types of drink containers and things that I think will fit in here, but it'll be a great test to see how actually this works. So first off, we're going to start with ones that we know will fit. Can of pop. That actually fits perfect. It's almost like it's made kind of specifically for that. Even one of those thin-walled koozies would probably fit really well on one of these cans and still fit it in there. So obviously, that's a winner. Let's try something a little bit harder. Kids Gatorade, like a little Gatorade bottle. That's going to fit. That'll fit good. I like that. Let's see what else we got. This is kind of a mug with a slender bottom. This is a shout out to Silver Dollar City. That looks good, and I think it'll be sturdy enough to sit in there. I trust that. Let's move this a little higher so you can actually see. I think that'd be okay in there. So that works. Let's see. Standard, traditional, American old water bottle. Obviously going to fit and look good in there. Let's keep trying. Another kind of metal water bottle. Let's see how this actually fits. On the tighter side, but actually fits pretty good in there. Oh, the whole thing came off. So this rubberized coating actually kind of pulled it off there, so not a big deal. But that fits okay. Let's try kind of like these, little thermos type cup. That fits okay. I like that. That fits good. Let's try a little bit harder ones. This is a larger kind of 24-ounce style water bottle. A little bit too small. The cup holder's a little bit too small. It doesn't quite fit that one. This is one of those travel Contigo water bottles. And that one, oh, it's right on the edge. A little bit too tight. So a little too tight for that one. Last, I have a protein shake. That fits good. Get your swole on. And I think the last one I wanted to try was my Owala bottle that I keep generally down here. And obviously that's going to be a little bit too big too. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a size comparison for actually what would fit in here and what wouldn't. Things about the size of a can fit really well. Anything super bigger than that's going to be a really tight fit. But these smaller thermos mugs for your coffee are going to fit great. To-go cups from fast food restaurants are also probably going to fit really good. But I just wanted to give you guys a little test of what actually fits. Lastly, I try to want to be as specific as I can and actually get you guys a measurement of the interior of the cup. So let's see. I'd say we're right about 3 inches. And I know it looks a little bit different on camera because where the lens is. But we're right about 3 inches is where it's kind of the diameter of the circle. So anything less than 3 inches, I think you're great on fitting in here. Anything over that's going to be a really tight fit. So there's what the finished cup holders actually look like. I think it blends in pretty well to the actual interior of the Tesla. It's a nice matte black that still kind of matches all the other plastic that's going on here. I really like kind of how it looks and how it attaches. I think it's a nice sturdy attachment point. And if you don't want it, you can just remove it easily like that. You don't have to actually get the bolt out every time. The actual curves of this match up to your door panel really nicely. My doors might be a little different than yours because I have, I think the early 2020 doors, even though mine's a 2022, it doesn't have the actual wood trim that goes all the way along the doors. But I don't think that should make a huge difference when you're actually, let me get that back on installed, when you're actually installing these. So I think it actually looks pretty cool. Let's close this door. And I want to show you guys, I thought this might be in the way as I'm driving or as like I'm going down the road or anything like that. Because I keep my knee all kinds of different areas. Sometimes my leg's high, sometimes it's out. And it's not anywhere in my way of actually where I keep any of my legs or anything like that. It's actually tucked back pretty nicely back over here. So it's not obtrusive. It's not ugly. It's not like a big stain on the interior of your Tesla. I actually like how it looks. So let's talk about it. What do you guys think of these cup holders? I think they look pretty good. I think it's a useful addition to my Model Y. I'm always looking for additional areas to store cups, especially for my kids if I'm trying to hold something for them up here. So I really like the design of this. I think it's integrated really well into this area in the front. It didn't affect any of my driving or my knee, which is something I was worried about because I'm kind of a tall guy, around 6 foot. And my leg has plenty of room to come up any position I want. This doesn't obstruct or interfere with anything like that. It does fit a rather slim variety of bottles, but if you have something that you really like to fit in here, like a certain bottle, make sure it fits before you buy it. It does fit cans, fast food drinks, stuff like that really well. So I think any of those like 20, 21 ounce cups from fast food restaurants would fit in here just fine. So I think it's a useful accessory. I recommend it. If you're interested in picking one of these up, right now they're about $30 for the set on Tesseri's website, or $50 for a 4-pack if you want to do your rear seats as well. You can install these on the rear sets. So it's pretty good value, I think, for what actually you're getting. The installation process is super simple. It took me about 5 minutes to do both sides of my front and driver's side doors here. And I like that they're easily removable, right? You can easily take it off if you don't want it or if it's in your way, and easily pop it back on when you actually need to hold a drink. So it's a really cool invention. I think it's a useful accessory. Like I said, they're available on Tesseri's website. Whenever you shop there, use discount code GAMBLE1080 right here on the screen. Helps you save about 10% right now. And yeah, big fan of Tesseri, so make sure you check them out. They gave me this rear screen that I installed not too long ago. I'll have a link to that video down in the description as well, or in the pinned comment, so check that out. If you shop on Amazon and are interested in any accessories over there, make sure to check out my Amazon storefront. I have links to things of how I camp in my Tesla, the ways I like to detail my Teslas, all linked in there. Some of my top Amazon accessories that I recommend for my Model Y are all available right there on my Amazon storefront, so check that out as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for coming back to this video and checking out another one. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.